Look at how they've just wore their field. These guys are yelling at me. I would have warned you if I knew it was coming. Hi! What do you gobblers got to say? Oh, he's gonna photobomb here. What do you say, buddy? Well, hello! Which we saw a few minutes ago. I love these turkeys. Look at him. He's all being tough. Being all tough with me. You gotta watch out because we got some. Oh, look at that. Bud Light ended up in the ditch. There you go. I gotta watch where I step here. I don't want to sink into the muck. I'm actually going someplace, but. Aren't these. Oh! I hear a turkey back, or a rooster back there.